Hi everybody, back again with another fun drawing lesson. Today we're going to be working on a seashell, a scallop shell with lots of fun patterns to it. So get a piece of paper, a pencil, and join me. All right, so here's our inspiration for today's drawing project. Some beautiful scallop shells. I used to live on Cape Cod in Massachusetts, and I was near the beach, and I used to walk the beach and pick up these beautiful shells all the time. So they are today's inspiration. All right, so if you look real close at this shell, you'll notice it's really just a teardrop shape, right? So this top right here comes around. We get a nice teardrop shape, a big wide teardrop, but still a teardrop shape, right? So we're going to draw that upside down teardrop shape, or you could turn your paper and do it the other way, and then we'll add on this little corner detail here, right there, and then we'll start putting in our stripes. We've got some nice symmetry going on, right? Both sides of the shell are the same, that great bilateral symmetry. But we're gonna make ours a little funky today. I'm gonna fill each of my little stripes on my shell with some fun pattern. Let's get started. Get your guidelines on the paper. All right, that way we know we can get our shell all centered up. And remember, we've got that nice big teardrop shape, right? So we're gonna have it stretch and fill up the whole paper. So if we start only like a finger or two from the bottom, like right here, right at our halfway point, and we want it to stretch all the way up to the top again, maybe only a finger or so away from the top. I'm gonna make a little dot up there, and then we're gonna come and we're gonna draw that nice big upside down, very wide sort of teardrop shape, right? From here, pull it out to the sides, bring it around, and then back in again. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, I like that side much better than this side. Let's see. I'm going to bring mine up even further. Bring it down over here. Lightly sketch it on till you've got it just the way you like it. See it start to take shape. And then kind of look and see if you like, is it even on both sides? Do you like the way it's shaped? Bring up my left side a little more. All right, let's go ahead and add on, right, these little bottom sections right there. So we're just gonna come straight out across. Again, trying to make them even on both sides, although sometimes those really aren't a perfect shape, are they? That's the part that usually gets trashed around, and then curve it back up to meet our shell. All right, there's our basic shape. All right, from here, I'm going to start putting on my segment. So I'm going to put one segment. Again, we're still kind of doing, now that we got these, we're doing a long, skinny teardrop shape. So curve it at the top, bring it all the way down, come right to that point. We take a look at those shell, all of these lines come right back down to that point, right? No matter where they are, they're coming right back down to that point. almost like feathers on a peacock. Do the next one. Now, a trick we can also use if you're happy with your one side, you can also fold your paper in half right along wherever the center of your shell is, right? And you could hold it up to a window and trace the other half if you want. So we could do like this. You can fold it right along like that, about right there. You can just gently fold it. Don't fold it real hard. And then you can hold it up to a window and trace the other half if you want. Or you can go ahead and draw your other side. I'm going to go ahead and trace mine. Why not? All right, so now I've got sort of the basics of my shell drawn. I'm going to clean it up a little bit here. We're going to erase away these lines. And then if you look at my shell, in between here, we've actually got the little dips, right? So I'm going to go back through after I clean this up, and I'm going to connect my ridges with some dips, like this. Just some curved lines in between, like that. So just to have a little fun with this shell, I thought it'd be nice to put some patterns in each of our little segments here. Polka dots, zigzags, paisleys, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna fill mine up with lots of fun pattern. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and Sharpie up all of my pencil lines and then see how it looks from there. So I'm going to leave my seashell in black and white because I really like it in black and white, but I think I might add a little color to my background. I'm just going to draw a squiggly line right here, like the shell's laying on the beach, and I'm going to color half of it in yellow, like some sand, and I'm going to do the other half in blue up here. You could do it with crayon, you could do it with colored pencil. I'm going to use a little watercolor again today.